Hello and a warm welcome to the special episode of the AI with Arun show, where we will deep dive into Nvidia's GTC 2025, a landmark event that showcased the future of AI and accelerated computing. Nvidia's announcements have set the stage for a new era of AI development, focusing on enhanced reasoning, agentic AI, and the infrastructure to support these groundbreaking advancements. In this video, we'll break down the key announcements, explore Nvidia's strategic direction, and discuss the implications for the future of technology. So, first things first, the central highlight of GTC 2025 was the unveiling of Nvidia's next generation GPU architecture. The Blackwell Ultra GPU is designed to accelerate AI reasoning models, promising a significant boost in performance for AI service providers. Compared to the initial Blackwell architecture, Blackwell Ultra increases high bandwidth memory by 50%, reaching 288 GB of high bandwidth memory, and delivers a 50% improvement in FP4 inference performance. This leap in performance is crucial for the practical development, deployment, and scaling of advanced AI models in real world applications. To cater to diverse data center needs, NVIDIA is introducing platforms like the liquid cooling GB300 NVL72, which is designed for high density computing, and the air cooled HGX B300 NVL16, offering substantial performance improvements for a wide range of AI workloads. Looking ahead, NVIDIA also detailed its Rubin Ultra GPU architecture planned for release in the second half of 2027. These aggressive roadmap underscores NVIDIA's commitment to pushing the boundaries of computational power for the future of AI. Now let's talk about personal AI supercomputers. NVIDIA is democratizing access to AI computing with its new category of personal AI supercomputers, DGX Spark and DGX Station. DGX Spark, the world's smallest AI supercomputer, is designed for AI developers, researchers, and students, providing the resources to prototype, fine tune, and perform inference on large AI models directly from their desktops. Powered by the GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip, the DGX Spark can handle AI models with up to 200 billion parameters. DGX Station brings data center level performance to the desktop, incorporating the NVIDIA GB300 Grace Blackwell Ultra Desktop Superchip. With 784 GB of coherent memory, DGX Station accelerates large scale training and inference workloads. These personal AI supercomputers signify NVIDIA's efforts to empower AI developers and extend its influence beyond traditional data center deployments. Now let's talk about networking innovations. Recognizing the importance of high speed networking for AI, NVIDIA introduced its Spectrum X photonics and Quantum X photonics switches. These co packaged optics network switches are designed to enable seamless connectivity across millions of GPUs while also reducing energy consumption. The Spectrum X Photonics Ethernet platform delivers superior performance with increased bandwidth density, ideal for hyperscale AI factories. The NVIDIA Quantum X Photonics InfiniBand switch brings next generation scalability to AI compute fabrics optimized for high performance AI workloads. These innovations are crucial for the future of large scale, efficient AI deployments. NVIDIA knows that AI needs super fast internet connections to work well, so they made two new networking tools, Spectrum X Photonics and Quantum X Photonics switches. These are like high tech traffic managers for millions of NVIDIA's GPU chips, which are the brains behind the AI. They help all the GPUs talk to each other smoothly and quickly without wasting a lot of power. Spectrum X is like a supercharged Ethernet, which is the common internet tech, that gives faster speeds and can handle more data at once. It's perfect for AI setups like AI factories that power big tech companies. Quantum X uses InfiniBand, which is a special high speed connection and is built to scale up for the toughest AI jobs, making sure that everything runs fast and efficiently. In short, the switches are key to making AI systems work better, faster, and greener. NVIDIA continues to enhance its software and platform offerings. A key announcement was NVIDIA Dynamo, an open source inference software designed to accelerate and scale AI reasoning models. Dynamo optimizes inference requests across large number of GPUs, significantly boosting the performance and revenue of AI factories. The Nvidia AI Enterprise Platform is like a toolbox for companies wanting to create and run AI programs. It includes two key parts: the Nvidia NIM microservices, like these are small, ready to use AI helpers that make it easier and faster for businesses to add smart features like chatbots or image recognition to their apps. The second one is Nvidia AI Q Blueprint. This is like a step by step guide or a recipe that helps companies build AI that is super accurate and reliable, tailored to their needs. Together, these tools let businesses set up powerful AI without starting from scratch. And then there is NVIDIA Omniverse, which got some really cool upgrades. It's like a virtual sandbox where companies can design and test digital versions of real world things like factories or robots or self driving cars. The improvements make it even better for industries that want to use robotics or autonomous systems. Think of self moving machines or vehicles, helping them plan and perfect everything in a 3D digital world before building it for real. In short, NVIDIA is giving companies easy AI tools and a virtual playground to make smarter high tech stuff. Let's talk about partnerships and collaborations that were announced. GTC 2025 underscored NVIDIA's collaborative strategy. Notable partnerships include General Motors for autonomous vehicles and manufacturing, HPE for enterprise AI solutions, Alphabet Google for agentic and physical AI, and Oracle for accelerating agentic AI inferences. These collaborations highlight NVIDIA's role as a central enabler of AI innovation across various sectors. Let's talk about strategic direction. NVIDIA's strategic focus is on enabling the next wave of AI, particularly in AI reasoning and agentic AI. The company is building a comprehensive ecosystem of hardware, software, and platforms to support the entire AI lifecycle across industries. NVIDIA is also expanding into emerging sectors like quantum computing and physical AI, recognizing the immense computational demands of these future applications. CEO Jensen Huang emphasized that AI is driving a fundamental restructuring of the computing landscape, demanding massive increase in infrastructure capabilities. Now, let's spend a minute talking about the future. GTC 2025 provided a clear view into NVIDIA's ambitious hardware roadmap. Blackwell Ultra is slated for release in the second half of 2025, with the Rubin architecture following in 2026 and Rubin Ultra in late 2027. NVIDIA has also indicated plans for the next gen Feynman platform in 2028. In networking, Quantum X Photonics is expected in late 2025 and Spectrum X Photonics in 2026. This consistent cadence of innovation highlights NVIDIA's commitment to leading the AI revolution. Here are some other key announcements. They introduced a new set of AI tools called Llama Nemotron. These are like smart helpers that can think through tough problems like math or coding and help companies build AI that works on its own or in teams. It's a big deal because it's free for everyone to use. It's open sourced, making advanced AI more accessible. Then second one, Cosmos is a platform that creates virtual worlds to train robots and self driving cars. They make it even better, adding new features so developers can customize it more and generate tons of fake data super fast. This helps robots and cars learn how to act in the real world without needing real world practice first. Then third one, they made co-opt free for everyone. This is a tool that uses AI to figure out the best way to solve tricky problems like planning delivery routes or managing supplies. So companies can save time and money. By sharing this, Nvidia is letting more people use this super smart tech. To conclude, NVIDIA's GTC 2025 showcased a company at the forefront of the AI revolution. The announcements of next gen GPUs, personal AI supercomputers, and networking innovations, combined with advancements in software and platforms, solidify NVIDIA's role as a key driver of AI's future. The CEO Jensen Huang's vision of AI reasoning and agentic systems, along with NVIDIA's strategic investments and collaborations, position the company for continued leadership in the age of AI. The implications for GTC 2025 are profound: increased computational power, new possibilities in AI research, and transformative solutions for enterprises. NVIDIA's GTC 2025 has provided a compelling glimpse into an AI driven future. Thank you for watching the AI with Arun show. Please like, subscribe, share, and let us know what you think in the comments below.